Hello everyone, today guess what? I'm preparing for a party. So my daughter Emily turned 7 yesterday and she was so excited, so happy, excited. And we've planned a party with her friends. So she's just got 9 other little friends coming. And we'd planned a bouncy castle in the garden, but the weather's not so good, so at the moment I don't even know whether the bouncy castle company are going to deliver, so that's not good. So I might have to do a bit of a rethink. So it's supposed to be a unicorn party and it might have to turn into a pamper party with painting nails and things like that. So anyway, to prepare for it, I've made a piñata, and I did that with Emily, and I've actually made a video about that, and I'll try and get that one uploaded when I can. That was really good fun. So we have also done other things, like we've obviously got lists of things that we need to do. So already I have been to Aldi today and done another big shop, another party shop, but it's a little bit different this time. So she's got her friends coming in the morning from 10:30 till 12:30, and we've got family coming from 2 o'clock for tea. So I'm not doing a big lunch. I'm going to do the children some little sort of treat bags with food inside to keep everything contained. So I'm not doing plates of food, I'm not having loads of waste and things like that. And then for tea, I'm going to do scones, carrot cake, probably a little, like some sandwiches, or just a cut up baguette actually I was thinking of doing. And I'm just gonna cook a ham in the slow cooker, and I'm just gonna make it really, really simple. I'm not trying to feed everyone a big meal. So I thought I'd film it because I just thought I'd take you along with me. You help me to keep going and inspire me. So I've got today, Friday, and then I've got all day Saturday, and Emily is with me tomorrow, so I'm going to sort of plan to do some baking and things when she's around. So, and then obviously it's on Sunday. So yes, loads to do again this weekend. That is going to have to just be it then until Christmas, because it's so much work. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get on with this. And it is a party this time. It is a party. A proper unicorn party for a 7-year-old. So let's do it. So I'm just making Emily some thank you notes for her party, and I'm using this amazing website called Canva, which is a graphic design website which is completely free, apart from some of the content and photographs do have a cost attached, but there's lots on it that are free, and you can upload your own images.
So just to say, I'm not sponsored by Canva, but I just think they're really amazing. So I go onto their templates and I'm going to put in thank you. I might even put in thank you unicorn, and we'll see what comes up. So look, there we are, there's a perfect card. So there's a thank you unicorn card that you can use. You can download that template, or you can use a different one. That's quite nice, that one there with the pink. Thank you for coming to my party. Thank you, I like that one with the flowers on. And you can download the template and then you can print it off at home onto some card, and it hasn't cost you a penny. You can also go in and change the text, you can change the font, you can change where things are. So now I have finished making that template, and I am going to get that printed off so that she's got some little thank you notes to put in her little bags that we're using as take-home presents from her party. So that was all done in the space of about 5 minutes.
Right, we're back and we're making brownies. So Emily didn't want like a proper birthday cake. She wanted a batch of brownies to eat with her friends. And the recipe that I use... Tomorrow! Yes. So the recipe that I use, they really love, and it's from the Rachel Allen Bake Book. I absolutely love her recipes because they actually work. You know, sometimes you go on BBC Good Food or something to find a recipe and you have to read all the comments and see what changes that you need to make the recipe work. You don't. She's absolutely amazing. I've got lots of her books, so it's really old-fashioned. I've still got cookbooks, but I do love a cookbook, and it's her recipe for rich hazelnut brownies. But I actually don't put the hazelnuts in, mainly because my kids don't like them, and also I just would worry about children having the nuts. I'm not aware of allergies, but I mean it's possible. So I just leave the hazelnuts out, and it still works perfectly well. So what we're doing, we're going to get on and make the brownies now. Right, this mixture, oh my gosh, it's so good. You know, you're going to get a really good brownie. Emily's gone. So Mummy's getting the spatula.
Brownies done, right, Em?
Yeah.
So we cooked the brownies, just got them out in the oven. They look so good. They do this. They do crack on the top, but they're amazing. And what have we done? Oh, we've been working on the table. So everyone's got a bag it's going to have their food in.
I'm here because it says happy birthday.
It does. And let's have a look at your cup as well. Bring your cup over here. Let's have a look. What have we done with your cup?
We got some of these straws.
We got the name label, look. We got a little name on the cups, and then some unicorn straws as well, didn't we?
We have to make the others.
Yeah, and I have to put them together, don't we? So yeah, so we're getting the table all ready for the party.
We've done the brownies now.
Right, so we have done the brownies, I've decorated the carrot cake and made the scones, and now we're going to decorate Emily's birthday cake, which was the chocolate biscuit cake. So it's not really, Mummy hasn't made a sponge.
And it has Maltesers in it.
It's got a few Maltesers in it, hasn't it? So what she wants is basically she wants the whole lot covered in chocolate.
There's Emily's cake.
Yeah, I think it's really good. It's what I imagined.
Yeah, so you wanted a chocolate biscuit cake.
Over here is going to be the sparkler.
Yeah, so it's like a firework sparkler. Emily, what's that on your chin? Not more chocolate, is it?
Yeah.
So we've been really busy. So we've done Emily's cake, we've done the brownies, and we're going to put candles in them for when your friends come, aren't we? And I've done the pulled ham. The other batch of brownies, I've cut them into bite-sized pieces for the afternoon. I've made the scones and put them in a tin. doors going, and then finally the carrot cake. So that'll do for now.
So we did have some bad news, and that's that the bouncy castle was definitely not coming, which is a real shame, but cool face. But we're going to do other things, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to do a treasure hunt.
You keep saying that.
That
I
you don't know
haven't
about.
prepared it. Okay, so what we are doing, and I have written a little list, which is quite a lot of things, for an emergency indoor party, is we're going to decorate gingerbread men, or stars, or something, or flowers that I haven't actually made yet. We are going to decorate some fairies. So you know the ones that with pens?
I didn't have any.
Or people, the girls?
Yeah, I got
Probably got enough of those. Do the chocolate fountain. We're going to paint nails. Paint all the girls' nails. That'll be fun.
Yes. Limbo.
Do a limbo. She wants a limbo. Pass the parcel.
Pin.
We'll do the piñata and we'll have the food. That's a party. And then in the midst of all of that, which I'm going to add, we're going to do daddy games. Because daddy, being a teacher, knows lots of games and icebreakers and all of that. So we'll put daddy games and we'll say daddy's got to do some of the party. Yeah. That's the plan. Right, so join us tomorrow for more party preparations.
Yay!
It's been so busy today. I'm so tired. I just need to sit down.
I don't. I need to watch Strictly.
Yeah, watch Strictly. We've got it on pause at the moment, but
And we've just watched AJ and
yeah. Who's your favourite? What's her name?
Dr. Ranj and
Dr. Ranj, who's from CBeebies.
and AJ and
Is it Kristen or something? That
Yeah.
was dancing. Yeah, so
and then
it
the
was a
other
good
one
dance, wasn't it?
was
Really good
that
dance.
new man.
Oh, I can't remember his name. Graciano or something?
Yeah, I think
It's
that
probably
one.
a wine.
Yeah,
Graciano.
I like him and his part.
Yes, so anyway, we're going to watch the rest of that in a minute, but we're all quite tired. I'm tired anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna have
So, and then we've got full on, and they want hot chocolates, right. So we've got full on more party planning tomorrow and the actual party, but we are pretty gutted about the lack of bouncy
And,
castle.
At the
There we
front
go.
door, there's a birthday girl thing.
There is a birthday girl sign, isn't there? So say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning for more fun stuff.
Right, so it's now 6:30. Everybody's gone. Emily had a very, very busy day. So look, show you sequin up and down top. Go on. Look, sequin up and down top. Amazing. So this morning we had 11 little girls here, and it was really, really manic. We what did we do?
Daddy games.
We did daddy games, so daddy did games. That worked out well. We did colouring in pictures of little cut-out pictures of girls. We did
Nail varnish, but we didn't get.
we didn't end up doing the nail varnish. That didn't happen. We did the
We did the
piñata,
piñata.
and I got whacked on the hand. That was nice. I could hold it up and got a bit of a wallop. And lots of sweets came out.
Yeah.
And
we
Emily
had-
got loads of presents, and
Yeah.
actually quite a lot of, look at all this presenty mess going on down here. And
got
she's got,
this that I put lots of stuff.
oh, it's
in
Smiggle.
it.
It's Smiggle. I didn't realise it probably smells. It's probably scented if it's Smiggle. Okay, yeah. So anyway, she got lots and lots of presents, including lots
And-
of things with sequins that go up and down, which was the thing
You have
when
to-
you're 7.
Yeah.
So Thanks for joining me today. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not one of my subscribers, then you know what I'm going to say. Subscribe to my channel and I'd love to have you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. You're going to say bye, Emily. Come say bye.
Bye.
Come on, say bye. Up and down sequins. Up and down sequins. See you in the next video. Bye.